Okay, so CSS.lint universal selector. And it says here, the universal selector is known to be slow. Well, here's the thing. The universal selector was very slow in IE 6 and older browsers than that. And this is pretty much a remnant from those times, from more than 10 years ago. So the performance that you lose from using the universal selector is so tiny, it's negligible. So you shouldn't really care about that. Now, the universal selector is very useful. Like, for example, if you want to have animations, some kind of transition that's animating some element or whatever on the page, and that happens a lot, and it happens in different parts of the application or the website, you're just better off using the universal selector and putting the transition there instead of repeating that transition throughout your application for all those elements. That's just one example. So my advice is ignore this this setting and what seems to be the recommendation to not use universal selector. Ignore that, it's useful. The performance decrease is, you just won't notice it. So yeah, my advice, ignore.